Has humanity finally defeated death and aging forever? This question now haunts every major laboratory on Earth. For centuries, aging was a reality that could never be changed. It was the one absolute truth of human existence. But today, genetic engineering has turned the impossible into reality. The rules of nature are being rewritten right now. Scientists have found the clock inside our cells that determines age, and they have learned how to reset it completely. Recent experiments have made it possible to rejuvenate old cells completely. The mouse you see just reversed its biological age. The experiment to reverse biological age has been 100% successful. History will never be the same after today. This is not just looking younger on the outside. Every organ inside is receiving a new lease on life. The heart and lungs in the trial patients now perform like those of a 20-year-old athlete. Perfect health. This anti-aging serum uses nanotechnology to repair damaged cells at the molecular level. The future is here. Memory loss and Alzheimer's could soon become a thing of the past. The aging brain can be fully restored. Diseases linked to old age will become a choice, not a necessity. Imagine living 100 years without pain. Picture a world where a 100-year-old person can still play football with their grandchildren. That world is coming. Are we entering an era where we do not just stop time, but actually turn it backward? The clock is reversing. Experts around the world are calling this the single greatest turning point in all of human civilization: success. Longer lifespans mean we can now travel to the stars. Entire galaxies will open up for human exploration. But will this technology be available to everyone, or only to the richest and most powerful among us? A breathtaking view of planet Earth rotating slowly from space. Sunlight rising over the horizon. Blue oceans, white clouds, peaceful but powerful imagery, cinematic 8K. Would you want to join this journey of eternal youth? The choice is yours now, and carefully.